Let's take a quick look at how to assemble your standing desk converter. Super easy, and it really just takes less than 5 minutes. On the underside of your piece for the keyboard is going to be the bracket that you're going to attach. So right now this is upside down, but this is how you'll attach it. 3 screws on this side, and on the other end 3 screws, just using a Phillips head screwdriver. And you have the brackets both going outward, and then when you flip it over, this is what it'll look like. So the brackets will be in this orientation, and then from there you just line up these grooves with the little bolts on the underside. Slide it into place, and there you go. Then you can use the provided Allen wrench to tighten it to have a tighter fit. Otherwise, you're all set and you're ready to put your keyboard and mouse up here. It's that simple. Thanks to the brand for providing this for me.